Hello, sixth grade students. This is Miss Mann speaking. I'm going to quickly go over the worksheets with you that I have assigned. So, this is for the rectangular prism volume and surface area worksheet. The equation you're going to use is length times width times height. All right, so got length times width times height. So the length in this scenario is going to equal 3 inches. The width is going to equal 3 inches. And the height is going to equal 2 inches, right? So we got 3 times 3 times 2. Now, we have inches in all of these. So that means your units are going to be inches cubed, right? When you multiply 3 units by each other, it's going to be inches cubed. All right. So 3 times 3, that is going to equal 9. And then 9 times 2, that is going to equal 18. Remember, it's going to be inches cubed. So that's how you figure out this volume of a cube. That's all I want is just the volume. All right, you can totally ignore the surface area if you so desire. All right, so that is our volume. Now, let's go ahead and go to our second worksheet, which is our graduated cylinders. All right, so here we have several portions. We have our meniscus. That is this little curve right here. This is where you're going to be measuring. This is where your measurement is at the bottom of the meniscus. So for this one, it'd be 1, 2, 3. 30.1, 31, 2, 3. So it'd be 33, right? 33. And the units are in milliliters. All right, so that is how you're going to do it. So the measurement of this would be 33 milliliters. Excellent. Now, let's do the first one together. So here we have 4 and 5. The meniscus falls right smack in the dab there, okay? So we got 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, and 4.5. All right? So the measurement of this is going to be 4.5 milliliters. Excellent. So we have 4.5 milliliters. Let's do this one now. Remember, we're going to look at the bottom of the meniscus. Draw that line. All right, so we got 10 is our first whole number, and then we got 10.1, 10.2. So our measurement is going to be 10.2 milliliters. All right, so that's how you do the graduated cylinder. Make sure to read this because you're going to need to know what a meniscus is. You're going to need to know what subgraduates are, and then what the graduates are. The graduates are the big, thick, long lines. Subgraduates are these little tiny ticks in the between, and the meniscus is the curve of the water once you are measuring, okay? All right, so we have that. Now, it's time for triple beam balance practice. If you are, you will also have to read a triple beam balance in my lab video that I have posted for you guys. So make sure that you watch that, but this is just going to be further practice. Okay, so we got the level of tens, hundreds, and ones. All right, and each one is going to be in grams. So for the tens, we have 90 grams. For the hundreds, we are at 100 grams. All right, now it's time for the ones. So it doesn't quite go up to it doesn't go up to 1. All right, so, and it doesn't quite go up to 0.5. I would go ahead and say that this is closest 2.4. So ones would be 0.4 grams. Now, you're going to add all of these together. So 90 plus 100 is 190. Now, 190 plus 0.4, that equals 190.4 grams. All right, let's do the next one together. So our tens are right here. So our tens are at 30, right? Our hundreds are at 0. Make sure to add grams. And then our ones is going to be 7.123, 7.3 grams. All right. So 30 plus 0 is 30. All right. So go ahead and put that right there. Now 30 plus 7.3 is 37.3. So put 37.3 grams. And remember, units, units, units. All right, so this is going to be the 2 assignments. You have your triple beam balance practice, you have your graduated cylinders, and you have your volume and surface area. Remember, we are not focusing on surface area. We are just doing volume, and volume is length times width times height. All right? All right, so that's how you do all of these worksheets. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please do not hesitate to email me, and I will be sure to be in touch with you guys soon. Thank you so much.